Sarap to guys. Chicken curry.
With Malaysian. Chicken curry, Malaysian ingredients.
Yes, chicken Malaysian ingredients.
This is chicken curry powder. Mahal to dito guys.
Ito po ang ulam namin ng hapunan. Sarap guys. Thank you for watching. Hindi pa daw tapos.
Ito guys, pag wala kayong coconut, pwede rin tong Kuko Mama. Lumipad na yung kawali mo.